Okay, for the question 1A, we need to create the table of correlation. So we go to the data and then click the data analysis. In analysis tools, choose the correlation and then click the OK. And in input range, you select the table of growth anti-inflation, right? And then group by, tick the column and then tick the label in first row and tick the new worksheet and then click OK. So the table of correlation, it will be shown in the new sheet. Okay, so we can see the percent of the growth, the percent of unemployment rate, interest rate, rate and inflation rate for the correlation. So for the question B, we need to comment. So the comment for the correlation is the answer is no. Economic growth correlation metric not exceed the recommend threshold plus minus 0.7 because we can see they have no 0.7 in the correlation table.
For question 1C, chapter 6, we use regression tools. First, click on data tab and then click data analysis. Click regression, then OK. For input Y, select growth data, and for input X, select this data. And then click labels and confidence label. Next, choose where to put the output. Then click residual and standardize residuals and then click OK. And we get this output. Next, we find the regression equation. This is the equation we use and then we insert the coefficient value in the equation. For D, the answer is unemployment rate has the largest p-value. Drop and rerun the regression. The best multiple regression model for predicting the economic growth in Malaysia is unemployment rate as it shows higher p-value compared to others. The model is good since the R-square is higher than adjusted R-square. The variable that we use in this question is the same as in part C. And for E, we use histogram tools. First, copy standard residual data in answer D to the new sheet. And then we create a bin. After that, click on data tab and then click on data analysis. Click histogram and then OK. For input range, select standard residual data and for bin range, select bin. Click on labels and choose where to put the output. And last, click chart output and then click OK. And we get this table and chart. So the conclusion is assumption is made because the histogram show that it is bell-shaped distribution.